Huh. Yeah, my color looks ugly.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hi. Why is that stranger talking to me? Ooh, this hat looks nice. How much will this top hat be?
This top hat? Oh, let me check. Hold on, let me check there. 1,000 shiny rocks.
Okay, I have 1,018. Here's $1,000.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go where? I'm gonna go to the dressing room.
Goodbye.
This is my house.
I am that kid. I have to keep on order that kid.
I'm inside my house.
I have to check if it's fake shiny rocks.
Ooh. Wait a minute. Hey, why is the second floor closed?
There's a lot of stuff up there. We're just building a lot of stuff up there. We're just building a lot of stuff up there.
Okay. Hey, why is there a broken glass up here? Oh, you might want to hire somebody to fix that.
Yeah, we're trying to get to fix it. We're trying to tell someone to fix it.
Oh.
We just need more money to fix it.
Yeah, I wish I could donate you more.
You want to see the second floor early?
No, definitely not. I definitely don't want to see it because.
The cosmetic for you.
Oh, yeah, I want it. Oh, it's breaking. Oh, what's happening? What's happening?
Wait for me, kid.
Oh,
Come up here. Come on. Go to third floor.
third.
There's a very secret cosmetic. This is why there's gonna be a third cosmetic.
Ooh, what is it? Where am I? Huh?
Kid, that was so special. That was the only cosmetic. Why did you touch it?
I thought I could, okay? I thought I could. Why am I inside your basement?
Don't ask.
Am I allowed out?
I need to tell you the rules about my shop. No touching, no cosmetic.
Hey, bro, what's that?
Even that one. Huh?
Huh? It's the only way out. It's the only way's out right here.
I'm gonna get that kid.
Oh,
I'm coming for you.
please don't do that. Please.
Haha, my minion's gonna capture you. My minion. I'm not even telling.
Why would you do this to me?
I'm gonna tell them where are them. You're gonna be dead, kid. And one of my monsters coming right up to you.
Not on my watch.
He's escaping.
Yep.
Where's
I said,
Blue?
not on my...
Blue's coming to get you, kid. Ha ha ha. Look at he doesn't stay on the torch. Yes.
No. Huh?
Kid,
I gotta get over it.
go?
I gotta get out of here. No, you too.
See that kid? Wait until he gets up.
Please don't mess with me.
Where's that kid going? I see you. Where did he go? Hello, kitty. Kid, where did you go? Are you here? Kitty. You are over here. Get to my side, kitty kid. You're over here in the corner.
Kid.
Where are you? Kitty kid, where are you? Kid, where did you go? Oh, kitty kid, I saw you.
Let me out. No.
My face, I'm could you? Why did you punch my beautiful face? Come
Take
here.
that, store manager. Ha ha. Now I can leave. No, the door's locked. The door's locked. Please no. Please no. Please no. Let me out.
Lock the door. Now you're next.
Hey, what's that one do?
Huh? What's this?
Sight.
Come here. Here, wait.
How about you come and get me?
Get you.
Come on.
Yeah.
See? I know somewhere that I can't get to.
Wait, come back.
Hey, you. Hey, come and get me.
Crap, so. This is your big trouble. Get out. Where did he go? Where did that kid go? I have a friend kid downstairs. I hear something.
Hi. Any games?
Oh, have you seen this kid anywhere, kid?
No. But can you tag? I like the color red. Can you tag me?
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh, I saw him. He was running to forest. Wow.
Nice, thanks.
He was running to forest.
Thanks. Okay, bet. May 28th. Okay, where's that kid? Where's that
Fun.
kid? Go. It's not in forest. Kid in parkour. I'm calling the police on you.
Oh my god.
Come on. Did you get this kid? He's trying to...
What? I did not.
I'm not lying, sir. I'm definitely not lying, sir. Could you please get him? Get your gun. 911, what's your emergency? Okay. Kid, you're under arrest. Come here.
Hey, can we just have a normal civil talk?
We can make a deal. If you never stole any, if you turn the thing back and never touch that helmet again, you won't be arrested. Sounds a deal?
Not really. Yeah, I'll give it a
Come
deal
here.
if you can get me.
I'm not playing these games, kid. My skin's about to die, kid.
Oh, huh. Oh no, I'm falling. Please don't do it. No, please don't arrest me. No, I want to be behind. Oh,
Kid,
what do
you
you?
didn't just make the deals.
Bro, why are you using my cell? Isn't it like a place that you talk to me at?
Yes, and we keep an eye on you. We have cameras 24/7.
Oh,
Get back.
oh.
If you jump out the window, you die. So that's why you can't escape forever.
Were you gonna?
Unless... So you better
Are you gonna
stop.
talk to me or something? Are you gonna give me some questions?
Okay. Why do you think you're here, kid?
No, isn't like a question. Can you let me outside the cell so I can go to the question room?
Okay, come on.
Bye.
Oh!
No, sir. I'll save you. Oh. Ah.
Save me. Okay,
You okay?
kid.
You okay?
Now what?
Take this. Take this. This heals you. This heals you. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I just fell. I think I got bruises.
Don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. Okay, so where's the talking room?
Right here.
Right here. Okay. I go on this side. Face to
Why do you think you're here, kid? Why did
Because
you came
I
here?
touched the gold helmet.
It everyone knows you can't touch the gold helmet.
But he said that he said that I could though.
Said?
He allowed me
Maybe
to.
he had a miracle. He had a miracle.
Yeah, because
Your cosmetic for you. Okay, you're free from prison, kid. I'm getting him. Kid.
I don't know. Who's that, an Easter egg?
Oh, hello. Oh, hello, officer. How you doing? Said you told him to touch it. But I didn't, sir. Yes, you did. Now you're going to jail. Come on. That puts you to jail now.
Hit the like button and subscribe. So
Yeah.
and you want him to be in some more of the videos? Then hit the like button and subscribe. Please hit the like button and subscribe. We're on our way to hit 50 subs, so if you hit it, then it'll be nice.